Hi, my name is Jingjun She. I'm assistant professor in mechanical and manufacturing engineering at Miami University. I teach design and manufacturing classes. In my design class, students learn design methodologies, design thinking, hands-on techniques, and also develop ability to read, interpret, and develop solid models and drawings. Also apply what they learn to solve real-world problems. For example, this semester, students are working on designing a way to help people stay healthy physically and mentally in pandemic. Some students design a cash cleaner to help people who work in grocery store and banks. Then some inventing a device to motivate kids to keep track of their schoolwork due to lack of normal face-to-face interaction. Then in my manufacturing competitiveness class, students learn lean manufacturing, how to simulate a production line in software, and also apply what they learn in a project collaborated with an industry partner each year. For example, last year, we worked with Schneider Electric. They went to their manufacturing floor, observe, learn, and present to their management groups at the end. This year, we are working with Deloitte, a leading consulting company, on their smart factory project. Students are designing the manufacturing processes based on their lean knowledge, while seeing the progress on the actual reached site. Hopes to see you in my classes someday.